Today is how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So let's unscramble it. So first thing you do is solve the white side. So what you want to do is just solve the white side.
We see that the efficiency decreases as the impeller size also decreases.
Wait.
And that's because the gap between the impeller
right there, we solved the right side. Now we need to solve all the layers. See, look, all the layers. That's what I'm talking about, all the layers. So what you want to do is down. Wait. What I want to do is down, and then right, then put this back up, down, change it, put it back up, down, change it, put it back up. Right side's still solved, and we have one layer. Now we just need to finish the rest of the layers.
This usually has an upward curve, which means as the pump flow rate increases, we see the MPSH value also increases.
Okay, now we have a whole layer. Now it's time to solve the yellow side. In the bottom, right here. So if you have two layers, put it in the left. Okay, now what you want to do is put your Rubik's Cube up, left, down, sideways, up, and then put it 2 times. Keep doing it until it's solved. The other side is solved, so keep doing it until it's solved. This is my very first time solving a Rubik. Wait, this is like my 28th time solving it. And the last turn, the other side solved. And the white side is still intact. Now all I have to do is just find something. Here comes the tricky part. Go to the yellow side. Looks like this. Now what you want to do is down, forward, left, down again, and then backwards 2 times, and then right up, forward, right, and then right up again, then backward 2 times, and then right 2 times, then backward 2 times again. Okay, now we're almost done. Now we have a blue side, yellow, and white. They're still intact. So our next step is, if you have this one, face it away from you. Now what you want to do, so it's facing away from you now, so what you want to do is do the same thing. Down, left, down. And then back 2 times. And then up, right, up. Now back 2 times, right up 2 times, and now the last step, back 2 times, and then just turn this one. Rubik's Cube is solved. So that's it, guys. 4 minutes, under 5 minutes. Bye, guys.